Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to go full screen in Internet Explorer 8. So let's go to Internet Explorer 8. Now in here you have to go to Tools and then you have to select full screen. So if you press F11 on your keyboard, it will actually have the same effect, and after you have done it, you will have a screen like this, the full screen, and just move your mouse cursor up to go to the search bar. Now I'm going to go to Google. You can see we are in full screen, and if you do not want to be in the full screen, what you can do is you can go to the tools and select full screen again to disable full screen. Again, you can actually do this on your keyboard just by pressing F11. So that's how you can actually go to full screen in Internet Explorer 8. And thank you very much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next video.